Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious stir-fry Indomie noodles. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of Indomie, your favorite vegetables like bell peppers or carrots, and a protein such as chicken or tofu. Chop your veggies and cook any raw protein beforehand. Make sure to have the Indomie seasoning packets easily accessible for the next steps. Next, bring about 400 milliliters of water to a boil in a small pot. Once boiling, add your Indomie noodles and cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender but still have a slight bite. Carefully drain the noodles, making sure to reserve a small splash of the cooking water. This will help later with mixing the seasonings. Now, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add your prepped vegetables and cooked protein, stir-frying them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, add the drained Indomie noodles to the pan. Pour in all the seasoning packets and that small splash of reserved noodle water. Toss everything together well. Finally, continue to toss and stir-fry all the ingredients together for another minute or two, ensuring everything is evenly coated and heated through. Serve your delicious Indomie stir-fry immediately. You can garnish it with a perfectly fried egg, some fresh chopped scallions, or crispy fried shallots for extra flavor and texture. For other great deals, including a fresh scent for your car, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.